just checked into my room here at the Premier Inn Hammersmith Shepherd's Bush Road. So pretty standard Premier Inn as you come in, usual bits and pieces there. Usual double bed, and then a chair, little desk area, big window looking out onto Shepherd's Bush Road. You can see Wagamama and gym opposite. Yeah, slightly smaller than the rooms at the Talgarth Road Premier Inn. Bathroom's pretty much the same, with just a shower. Yeah. Now I've kind of settled in a little bit, you can actually see it's a little bit more worn than the new one at Talgarth Road. You've got, if you like, marks and things on the wall. I think that's because that's quite tight there to get in. So there's quite a lot of marks and scuffs on the wall. There's like bits scuffs on the table and on the walls here. It's obviously just had a lot of wear. And I've just spotted this on the bathroom, so there's no hook on the door. That's obviously come off. And then where you put your key in, I don't know if it's meant to be like that with plastic, or whether it should be like, I'm sure it used to be like a metal one. I mean, it's still good. Bed's obviously clean and comfortable, but yeah, you can definitely see that this one is the older one, a lot closer to Hammersmith Station, so good location. I think, yeah, Talgarth one is definitely newer and cleaner and nicer. This one's just a little bit worn.